In this video, I will show you how to delete Amazon account permanently. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Amazon on your browser and sign in into your Amazon account. Now at the top right of your screen, you'll be able to find this account and list button. So click on that and then this will take you into this section. So go ahead and scroll down into this section. So go ahead and click on cancel from here and just scroll down until you reach the bottom of this page, and then click on this close your Amazon account button under manage your data. So in here you just need to enter your password to be able to continue on deleting your Amazon account, and that is how you can basically delete Amazon account permanently. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.